Diamond Matt channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the beginning of a new technological revolution. But the way ChatGPT gives it back to you, so you could ask it like, I don't know, like what Windows made of, and it'll tell you like how they're made, what they're made of, and all the whatever fucking bollocks, blah 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 blah. Okay. Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, today I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT. No, ChatGPT. It's basically already proved itself only after it's the latest software, AI generation. Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, today I'm reviewing, it could really help you out with many things, so yeah, let's get into it. No, let's not get into it. Let's talk more about the shit I wrote down. Not just like Google just throwing it at you and letting you search through all its recommendations. ChatGPT. It's a new software, AI generated software. No, it's not AI generated software, fucking bollocks. And basically an alternative to Google. It's a bit like fuck. Come out at the end of November 2022. It's only a couple of months old, so it's called fucking bollocks and tits. It can be so helpful. So what I'm going to do is we're getting there. We are getting there. Oh, crikey. Oh. Diamond Matt channel. Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, today that's really taken the world by storm. It's and Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, today's another episode of Jeweler Reviews. Today I'm reviewing ChatGPT. I asked for patrons for the channel because basically it enables me to keep these videos going. It helps me create the videos. We're in the middle of January 2022, just a few days ago. 2023.